and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you from my deck because it's really nice outside and I wanted to film for you. Sorry, my hair is all over the place. It's just really nice outside and it has a lot of natural light out here, so I thought I would film for you. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my beach / pool bag, and I've seen a lot of these going around YouTube lately, and I'm going to the beach really soon and I'm so excited, and I also go to the pool a lot, and I just wanted to show you what I bring and what my essentials are, and let me know in the comments down below some of your beach or pool essentials, and let's get on into the video. So to start off, I'm going to show you my beach bag. So this is my beach bag. It's like so full, so it like won't button. But this is my beach bag. It is from American Eagle and I got it like a couple years ago, so I don't know if they still have it. But it's really cute and it just has like a lot of bright colors and I really like it a lot, and it looks really full right now, but it's just because I have a big towel in here and normally my parents are carrying the towels anyway. So I'm just gonna jump right in. So the first thing I have in here is a towel. Obviously I'm gonna put this on the floor because it's so big. I just have a towel in here. Obviously you need a towel at the beach or the pool, and it's really cute and it's just kind of like a sunset print. I don't think you guys really care, but it's really cute. Yeah, it's really cute and I like it a lot. And yeah, obviously you need a towel for the beach or the pool. The next thing I have in here, and normally I'm wearing it, but it's my swimsuit, and sometimes I'll bring an extra one just in case, but this one in particular is from Cupshe, and I know a lot of people have swimsuits from there. This video is not sponsored, but it's super cute and I love their swimsuits. I already have a couple from them, and this is the top. I'll just show it to you. It's like the high neck ones, and personally for me, having a larger chest, this is really good because it just like holds you all in, and I really like how they like mix and match all the prints. So these bottoms are high-waisted, and I love the high-waisted look, especially with like a halter top, because it comes down a little farther and it almost looks like a one piece, and I think one pieces are so cute. These are just yellow and they have white polka dots on them, and they're so cute, and together they're just adorable. So yeah, this is my swimsuit. And the next thing I have, also I would normally be wearing them, but I have flip-flops, and I always bring shoes that I don't really care about because on the beach they always get messed up just like playing in the sand. Most of the time I don't even wear shoes, but sometimes the sand is so hot like you have to have something on your feet. So I just bring, like, these are cheap from like Kohl's or something. So just get some really cheap shoes. I think these are from like Kohl's for like $5. Yeah, and they're cute too. They're just like bright pink, and yeah, they're really cute. The next thing I have that is really important is water, and I'm terrible. I don't drink enough water even like when I'm at home, but I really try and bring water on the beach because the beach is so hot and the sun takes so much out of you. So I really try to bring like a bottle of water, just like a plastic bottle of water, or just like fill one up of my own, and this is just like a Gatorade one. I think this is my brother's, but I stole it because it's really nice, and you can just like squirt it all over you too, even if you're like hot. You don't even have to drink it, but yeah, it's just really nice to bring water so you don't get dehydrated. Next, in the main compartment, I just have my cover up, and this cover up is adorable, and it's like so wrinkled, so I'm sorry about that, but it's always in my beach bag, so that's why. But sometimes I'll switch out my cover ups, but I really love this one because this actually used to be a dress, but it's like I got taller, I grew, so it's way too short now. So if you guys have grown out of any like dresses that like are way too short, I literally just wear them as cover-ups because you're wearing a swimsuit underneath anyway, so it doesn't matter if you can see your swimsuit. So it's so cute, and it's actually from Plato's Closet. It's like a little thrift store in my area, and it's so cute. It just has flowers at the top, and it's like blue, and it also has this really cute tie in the back, so you can like tie it in a bow. And yeah, it's really cute, and it's also like really good to like soak up the water because I always put my cover up on when I'm still a little bit wet. So it's really cute, and it also has a little detailing at the bottom. And yeah, I like this a lot, so that's my cover up. Next thing I have is a hat, and I switch them up every time I go, but this one is just like a baseball cap, and these are really in like a couple years ago, and I think they're still in, but it's really cute, and it says, what does it say on it? Good vibes? Yeah, it says good vibes, and it's just a really pretty like light pink color, and I like it a lot, and it also really helps you fall asleep. So I always do that when I'm laying on the beach. I either put it on or I lay it on my face so I don't have the sun in my face. And yeah, they're so cute, and sometimes I'll either bring this hat or like a floppy hat that I'll cover more, especially on hot days when you really don't want your face to get burnt. Oh, I totally forgot. I would have showed you guys this in the beginning, but a really good life hack is to bring your phone in a plastic bag, and a lot of people know this already, but I always bring it in a plastic bag because it just keeps the sand out of it and the water. Even though I don't really bring my phone near the water, it's just really nice to have your phone in a plastic bag, and also you can still like use it because it's just a little sheer layer. And yeah, it's really nice, and I always have my phone with me so I can play music, and yeah, when I'm just bored and laying on the beach, I can go on my phone and listen to music. So yeah, that's a really good life hack I'm sure everyone already knows. Next, this is probably the most important thing in my bag just because I'm so pale, and that's sunscreen. And everyone needs to bring sunscreen. I don't care how pale or tan you are, you need to bring sunscreen because getting burned is the worst. I've had the worst sunburn before and it is not fun. Trust me, it's not fun. So this is the CVS Health Sport 70. I need the high SPF because I'm very pale and I do not want to get burned. So this is a must out. And my family always has a ton of sunscreen because I am very pale and the rest of my family is very pale. Make sure you bring sunscreen with you. It is a very big essential of mine. Next, I have a book, and this is the book I'm currently reading. I actually had to read it for a class I'm in at school, but it's actually a really awesome book, and I really encourage you guys to read it. It's called Resisting Happiness by Matthew Kelly, and it's all about like faith and our faith in God and how God wants us to be happy. And I'll read you the little part on the bottom about what it says, and it says, a true story about why we sabotage ourselves, feel overwhelmed, set aside our dreams, and lack the courage to simply be ourselves, and how to start choosing happiness again. So I definitely recommend this book. I'm only on like chapter 9, but it's a great book, and I really like reading on the beach. I don't know why, but the sun just changed. But I don't know why. I'm not that big of a reader, but on the beach and by the pool, I really like reading. It's just very relaxing, and yeah, so definitely I recommend this. I will put the link to it down below. It's probably really cheap on Amazon, so I will put the link down below. Okay, we're getting down to the bottom of the bag. So the next thing I have is a little makeup bag, and I only have a couple things in here just so like if you're going to dinner or lunch or going shopping after the beach, you can like freshen up a little bit. So this is just a little makeup bag I have. I forget where it's from. I just have deodorant because obviously you want to smell nice when you get off the beach. And this is just the Secret Powder Fresh. Nothing special. I just always bring deodorant with me. And I also have a body spray just because you want to like freshen up, just like I said before. And this is from Bath & Body Works. It's the Vineyard Champagne Kiss, and it smells really good. I wish you guys could smell it. It's just like in an orange can, and I'm going to use some right now because it is hot out here. And then I just have a couple makeup products. So I have a Maybelline concealer, and normally I'll bring like a BB cream, but literally sometimes I don't even bring it with me because concealer works so well. And after the beach, I just put this on if I'm going shopping or going to dinner. And it's just really nice to have a little concealer with you to bring you a little color in your face. And then I also have a mascara in here, and this is waterproof. It is e.l.f. Waterproof and Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. And this is just really nice to have even if you're leaving the beach. It's just always nice to have waterproof mascara. And then the last thing I have in here is a lipstick, and you're probably like, why do you bring lipstick? But this is really nice because it can act as like a blush too, because I really like having blushed, like a flushed face because I'm so pale. I need a little color in my cheeks. So this doubles as a lipstick and a blush because you can put a couple of dots in your cheeks and rub it in and it looks like blush. So you don't actually have to bring a big bulky blush in your bag. And you can also use it as lipstick because when you get off the beach, you don't want to be putting on a ton of makeup, and just lipstick always makes you look more presentable. So I always have concealer, mascara, and lipstick in my bag. And the next thing I have are earbuds, and this is pretty self-explanatory. I just love listening to music on the beach, and you don't want to like bother everyone else with your music. So this is great if you want to jam out, or sometimes I'll listen to podcasts. Podcasts are really awesome. So yeah, I really want to start listening to more podcasts. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And the next thing I have is really essential to me, and I always bring this with me because the beach makes your hair like so gross. And most of the time when I go to the beach, I'll have my hair up, or it'll just be in like loose beach waves. And you guys know on the beach, your hair always gets a mess when you swim. So once I get out of the water, I will put in this spray, and I'm sure you guys have heard of it, but it's just the Not Your Mother's Beach Texture Spray, and this basically just makes your hair like look very beachy, and it just adds a little bit of texture. So you just like spray it in and scrunch, and it just makes your hair a little bit more tame when you come out of the water. Also, this is very essential to me too because I'm so pale again. So this is the Jergens Natural Glow, and this is the one that's like 3 days to glow. So this is fair to medium, obviously, because I am not tan at all. And I just started using this. I used this for prom, and it really works. So you just put this on like 3 days in advance, and then you put it on every night, and it just gives you a really nice glow, but it doesn't look fake or orange or anything like that. So I love using this, and sometimes I'll put it on and like lay in the sun, and it actually does work. So yeah, this is really nice. Next, I'm normally wearing when I go to the beach, but these are sunglasses, and I always bring sunglasses. Again, not like I don't care if I like lose or if they break, because the beach I always end up breaking something. So these are just from Kohl's, and they're like circles, and they have like little daisies or flowers on the top, and I really like them. And I just love sunglasses a lot, but normally I'll just be wearing them when I go to the beach, so normally they're not in my bag. But I just put them in my bag today because I'll just throw them in there when I go in the water. And yeah, I really like sunglasses and I really want to get more because I love them so much. And the last thing I have in here is my hairbrush, and I always make sure I bring this just because the beach makes your hair disgusting, and if you just want to put it up in a bun, I always just put it in a bun after I get out of the water. So I just have this like travel size one, it's just from Conair. And really any brush works. I just always like having it with me just in case I'm going somewhere after. That's going to be it for my what's in my beach / pool bag. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also make sure you comment down below what's in your beach or pool bag. And also I'm going to the beach very soon with my friend, so stay tuned. I'm going to be vlogging and I'm going to be doing a lot of videos at the beach, so I hope you guys are excited and I hope you guys are having a great summer so far, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!